Hello everyone. Today is lesson 6 and we are going to learn about tuples and set and what is the difference between tuples, sets and array, and when we have to choose tuples, when we have to choose array, and when we have to choose set. Okay, so we will learn about that. Okay, so just create one application under this folder that will be tuple. Great. Okay, so let's make it bigger and remove everything. Okay, as you already seen my previous video about arrays and dictionary, so tuples and set also comes under the collection of data. What is collection have multiple types, like you can store values in array, you can store values in dictionary, you can store values in tuples, you can store values in set, and when you have to pick which option, I'll tell you today. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover tuples, second sets, or you can say set, third difference between array, tuple and set. Okay, so this is the objective of this video. So these three things we are going to cover. As you have already seen my previous video, dictionary, array. Okay, so you know already what is array. In array, every value is assigned to a particular index like 0, 1, 2. In dictionary, every value is assigned to a particular key that can be string and that can be as integer also, and you can access those values via key. So every value in dictionary is a key value pair. So now let's jump into tuples. So what is tuples? Tuples is like, it's also a collection of data which stores value in key, or you can say, but that should be a specific to or precise to position. You cannot change that particular value, or you can say position. So I'm going to give you one example, like let, okay, my details. Okay, my details. Yeah, so difference between, first difference you have already noticed, in array and dictionary it is start with the square braces, here it is round braces. Okay, so just suppose my details, so my details will be name, age, and then location. Okay, so here just suppose name is Peter, age is 34, location is USA, Illinois. Okay, so now just suppose you want to access any of details, so you can, first thing, this is how you declare the tuple. Second thing, you can access any value by using index or by using key. So just suppose now if you want to print any specific value, how you can do that? Okay, so print my details dot 0. Let's see how it looks like. See, you can access this value by using index or any other value, something like this. See, now try to put, instead of index you can use name. Now see the difference. Oh, it's same. So that means tuple can be accessible by using index value or by key value. This is one difference from array. Second thing is like these are very much specific to the position. You cannot change its value. Okay, just suppose name is Peter and you try to enter name is something like 34 or any integer value, it will not allow you to do that. This is the difference from difference. I'll explain you in further discussion, but here you have to know, like if this is string and this is integer and this is again a string, then in this tuple you cannot change its position value. So this is one difference. Now I'm going to jump on the set. Okay, so how you declare the set? Okay, let set equal to set uppercase and then round braces, inside that square bracket, and then you can declare as much values as you can. Okay, name Peter. Don't take age. Age is a number. I don't want to use is that as a string, so you can say name, location, or you can say Peter at can. Okay, these are the name. So this is a set. Okay, so what happened in set, you cannot create a duplicate values. Now just suppose you want to print something uh, using set. How you do that? Okay, so how you print set. So this is the declared name. In this we have defined our set values. So now if you run it, you can see all three values here. Okay, now the second thing which I said, like unique values, set only contains unique values and give you the output of unique values, no duplicate values. This is the main difference between set and array. So now just suppose you add can again. Okay, there are two can, or you can say two pat. Okay, one more pat. Okay, now if you run it and let's see the output, it will always give you a distinct value. See, still it's there. So now you know, and have better understanding how it is different from array. Okay, and second thing what you can do is like if any value you want to check, like it's unique and you want to access that value very quickly, then I'll suggest to use set. Okay, so the two things to remember always about the set: there should not be any duplicate value, it will not allow you to do that. Second thing, if you want to access any value quickly, then set is a good option. Now just jump into array, which you already know that. Okay, so just suppose let my array equal to, it will start with a square, mango, banana, and if you want to add banana again, this will still allow you to add banana. Okay, so this is the three things which you learned today. What is set, what is tuple, and what is array, and what is the difference among all. Okay, and yeah, and one more thing I want to add in tuple, like if you want to return more than one value, the function, you can use tuple. Okay, so either two values or three values, but keep in mind their type of position should not get changed. I think you have clear information about all these things now, and still if you have any questions, you can comment down below, and I will be more happy to help you out. And I would request you guys to subscribe my channel Coding with Nishan, and hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification of my future videos, and it will give me a kind of motivation, like you guys want to learn more, so that I can create more videos for you. Thank you so much. Bye, have a good